hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to study chapter 1 of your English book. This is very long chapter na? But we have to clear all the concepts. So in future you will not get any problem while reading any chapter. Okay. So let me tell you. Firstly, open this book, English book, and come at page number 7 again. Okay. I told you that we have 26 alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That is 26. Okay. 5 are vowels, 21 are consonants. 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. I told you about A, E, I. Right? Today we are going to discuss about O. We are going to discuss O sound. So, what is the sound of O? Simple. As we are saying O. See? O. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. Okay? So, it produces O sound. So, D-O-G. Dog. T-O-Y. Toy. C-O-T. Cot. T-O-P. Dog. L-O-G. Log. B-O-X. Box. H-O-T. Hot. P-O-T. Pot. S-O-N. Sun. So, I told you sound of O. I hope you are learning well. Okay. In next class, I will give you worksheet related to O sound. Prepare that worksheet at home, write in your notebook, learn these words and stay safe at home. Okay? We will study further in next class.